Welcome to EUPrivacyForAll, Session 57 on GDPR, Representation of Data Subjects, Article 76. Regarding the representation of data subjects, European Parliament suggested that any body, organization, or association could represent data subjects if mandated by one or more data subjects. On its side, EU Council added criteria. The data subject shall have the right to mandate a body, organization or association which has been properly constituted according to the law of a member state and whose statutory objectives include the protection of subjects' rights. Additionally, member states may provide that any body, organization or association, independently of any data subject's mandate, shall have in such member states the right to lodge a complaint. In the end, Article 76 on the representation of data subjects lays down most of the modifications proposed by EU Council. The data subjects shall have the right to mandate a body, organization or association which has been properly constituted, which is non-profit, whose statutory objectives are in the public interest, and which is active in the field of the protection of data subjects' rights and freedoms, in order to lodge the complaint on data subjects' behalf, to exercise their rights, and to exercise the right to receive compensation. Member states may provide that such a body, independently of a data subject's mandate, shall have in such member state the right to lodge a complaint with the supervisory authority. Another key provision in the GDPR is recital 112. It basically lays down the same provisions as in Article 76. However, in the end of the recital, it is stressed that the body, organization or association acting on behalf of data subject may not be allowed to claim compensation on a data subject's behalf independently of the data subject's mandate. Currently, the directive does not bring any provision on the representation of data subjects. However, Article 28(4) on the supervisory authority obligation to hear claims refers to claims that would be lodged by an association representing the data subject. What should accountable data controllers and processors get prepared for? First, knowing that data subjects have the right to mandate a body, organization or association to exercise their rights, to lodge the complaint on his or her behalf before a data protection authority or before a court against a data protection authority's binding decision, to lodge the complaint on his or her behalf before a court against a controller or a processor, and to receive compensation. To be mandated, such an organization should be properly constituted according to the member state law, non-profit making, have statutory objectives in the public interest, and be active in the field of the protection of data subjects' rights and freedoms. Member states may provide nationally that any body, organization or association shall have the right to lodge a complaint with the supervisory authority of this member state independently of any data subject's mandate. Depending on national laws, this body may not be allowed to claim compensation on a data subject's behalf independently of the data subject's mandate. So, in the end, the key question that we have in mind is how will national laws bring consistency to the rights exercised on behalf of data subjects by a body, an association or an organization that would or would not receive mandate.